Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Ghibli-style images for free. Alright, let's begin. Friends, Ghibli-style images like these are going viral on Instagram, Facebook, and almost all social media platforms. You can create such AI images absolutely free with the help of AI, and that too in just a few seconds. I've shown you not one, but two methods to create Ghibli-style AI images for free. I won't be using ChatGPT here because that method is not free. You just need to follow a few steps. For the first method, first download the Grok AI application from the Play Store. Now open the application and sign up using your Google account. Then, using the paper icon, upload one of your photos. I'm uploading a random one here. Now, in the prompt, you have to write, "Convert photo into Ghibli style." It may take a little time for the image to generate, depending on your internet speed. Our image is now ready, and you can see it's decent enough. Now let's try method 2. For this, you'll first need to download this AI retouch from Play Store. Here, scroll down to Anime section and then click on All to see all Ghibli styles. Here, go to the available options. Then select the tool a little further down and upload your image there. Within moments, your photo will be converted into Ghibli style and absolutely free. You can download the one you like. The photos are generated in high quality. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create Ghibli style images for free. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.